Communication and conversation is the driving force of the world. It's the thing that stitches everything together and makes things happen. And today, me, myself, Willis, Will, and Moses will be going to DigiDirect to their warehouse to have a conversation about the gear, the things that we can get in your hands as creatives. We have got a Melbourne photo walk coming up. We want to be able to collaborate with DigiDirect to get more things, as in like prizes for you. I've done meetups before, and every single meetup I do, I try and give back to the community in one way or another. That's the driving force. That's the brand of Optical Wonder. Is I want to, as I grow, give more and as much things as I can back to creatives, because I know how difficult it is as a creator when you're growing. And today we're going to go and have a conversation, and hopefully we're going to leave the warehouse with some gear. Maybe. We've decided what we're going to pick up. Now we have to just go and choose it from downstairs from the warehouse. We get to go and pick the giveaways that we're going to give to you guys. I want the Peak Design clips. You guys know that I love Peak Design clips, and we are getting 5. What do you want to get for the last prize?
What do you think?
What are those? No, put those back. We're not getting those. Put those back. Put them back.
Bro, they're so cool. Like, there's heaps. Oh,
no, put them back. What should we get for the last prize?
Sure.
What about a drone?
Yeah, drone.
Yeah.
Drone for the last one.
Yeah.
Sick. Let's do it. Let's do it. Yeah, drone. Let's get a drone.
What drone?
You guys seen the? Have you seen it anywhere? The drone. Oh, sick. Okay, so before the meetup tomorrow, what I want to do is just spend an extra $1,000 on a lot more gear. So basically, we already have 20 items to give away, but I want to give away some more. You guys know me that throughout this entire journey, I want to give back to the creators as much as I can, and that's what I'm doing here. So it's an extra $1,000 from my pocket into yours. Okay, so we are on the way to the cafe where we're meeting up with the models. So we're meeting up with the models beforehand so that we can kind of introduce ourselves, they feel a bit more comfortable, and then we'll move on to the photo walk location, the first location, which is the RMIT Design Hub. Before we do get there and we get started, again, massive shout out to DigiDirect for setting this up with us. Link in description to them, go and check them out. Let's go and do a photo walk, it's going to be insane. We've got a couple of prizes we're going to draw now. We do have 10 SD cards that we're going to give away, but the person that found the sticker there, which was Lachlan, we're going to give you 3 SD cards.
Yeah, thank you very much. Yeah.
I really like the idea of throwing them. Can I throw some SD cards? We've been through all the stories, so we've tallied up all the photos that we like. We've chosen a photo each from the stories. And we're gonna,
the stories as well.
Yeah, and then we've chosen 2 funny moments or cool moments from just like candid stories, like of a video or whatever.
And on top of that, we all gave you a raffle ticket. If you haven't got a raffle ticket already, then that's a bit too late.
A bit late.
The idea of the raffle ticket is we're just going to pick one at random, and whoever wins, you get an SSD. Let's toe and stop.
Alright, 3, stop.
44! 58.
Hey! So, who we've chosen number 1 for the Lav mic is Chalice Media.
Yes!
Yes!
Ashawada, Wizard.
We've all chosen the photo that we like the most, and we've put basically those into Moses' pocket. That's why he's standing there like that.
Hayden, choose a hand.
Okay, left.
You're on the left.
Ooh.
What number is it?
100. was Jesse GC.
Yeah, we're going to be around the city for the next couple of days, so if you do see us, come and say hello. And you don't need us to put on something like this to become, friends. So reach out to other people on socials, go through all the stories that are on there today, and go and reach out to people that have been here, because that's the point. You don't need us lot here to be able to go and create a community. So go and shoot with each other and have fun. Now, I feel like there needs to be a bit of context. There's been 2 years since I did my first meetup back in 2021, and back then it was just a dream, right? It was a dream to be able to help creators, and in the first meetup, I just wanted to give back to the community as much as I can. And I think in that first meetup, I gave £2,000 or whatever it was until back to the creatives. For me personally, the most important thing for this journey and Optical Wonder is what I'm trying to create is that I give back to the people that are trying. And I think a lot of the time, the people that try go unnoticed, and I want those people to feel noticed. And that's why I put on these events. That's why I want to do this globally and do more meetups and meet more of you that watch these videos, because that's the thing that drives me. And I think it's come to a point where, yes, the meetups that I've done so far, all 9 of them have been incredible. Every single meetup I've done, however big or small, they've all been incredible in their own way. But Optical Wonder, the brand, me, it's bigger. This is bigger. What I want to do is bigger than just me. And in order to do that, I need to collaborate. I need to work with other people and brands to make that happen. So in this video, this is a collaboration effort. This is between me, Will, Willis and Moses and DigiDirect to put on an event in Melbourne for creators, inspired by creators. And I hope that those that attended enjoyed it as much as we did. It was a hard work. It was a lot of hard work putting it on, but it was beautiful to see everybody coming together. And a massive shout out to all the models and everybody that attended. And yeah, some of the photos that were taken throughout the trip are on the screen, along with their handles. If you like any of the images, go and check them out. One of the things for me personally with photo walks that I want to put on is not just walking around aimlessly, me telling you what to do, or other people telling you what to do. There's no bias. I don't want any brand bias or anything like that. It's about creators just creating and networking, and along the way have objectives for that, so that you as creators can win some stuff, but also get involved, actually take some shots, not just walking and just carrying 2 kilos for no reason. It's about creating content, and that's what my photo walks and our photo walks as a team photo walk will always be. I want to do this globally, so if you are in a different country and you can help initiate that, tell me, send me a DM, send me an email. If you're a brand and you want to link up together globally or here in Australia, or you want to put some gear in some creators' hands, reach out, let's do it, because creators matter. The world wouldn't exist as we know it without creators and creative thinkers, and it's those people we need to support and inspire and help. And that's my mission. That's what I want to do, and that's what I'm going to stick at, because I'm good at doing it. And with all that being said, create more, stress less, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you.